Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified. Today we are in Orlando East, next to high school here. What's the name of the street? They keep on
Balandina Street.
Balandina Street, guys. Today I'm not alone. As you can see, we have our guest here. She will introduce herself. And then there's my guy there who's always behind the camera. So please, my dog, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Timen, who's always behind the camera. Today I decided to be included in this video.
Yeah.
So we're here today.
Yeah, man. So yo, man, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Alright, how are you?
I'm good, man.
Awesome.
Please introduce yourself, because a lot of our viewers, they are busy asking themselves, who is this beautiful young lady? Please introduce
Okay,
yourself.
hi guys, my name is Gabi Mazibuko. As Freddie already mentioned, I am from Soweto, Orlando East, Balandini Street, not far from Orlando High. What I actually do is I do makeup, hair, and nails. Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe your bio is gonna be like 5,000. But it seems easy. But when you dive deep, I think it's gonna be. So when did you start doing your makeup? Or especially
Makeup.
yeah.
Makeup, I started doing makeup in high school actually.
For me.
I started falling in love with makeup in high school. Yeah. And then after I started falling in love with makeup high school, taught myself via YouTube, and then I wanted a certificate, so I had to go to school for and do it. So that
Which school did you go to?
I went to the Pyramid Beauty School.
Wait. Pyramid. Wait, goddamn. Where is this?
It's in town, here in Joburg. It's in town.
So it's a school for makeup.
Beauty.
Oh, for beauty.
Anything beauty. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. The name of that school is Pyramid.
The Pyramid Beauty School.
The Pyramid.
Damn.
Really? Pyramid.
I don't think about any that.
Yeah, man. When it comes to pyramids and stuff, all of us were thinking about Illuminati and stuff. Yeah, man. So you went to school. So did you drop out from school? Did you come up with anything from that school?
I didn't drop out. I actually studied makeup and I finished it. And then I obtained my certificate. Yeah, 2017.
Yes, it's been a minute. So when you start doing these things, you said you started doing makeup while you were still in high school, right? So how did your family supported you, or they were like, Anna, this one's just lazy. She don't want to go and work. She's doing this makeup just because she's beautiful.
You know how black parents are.
Yeah, man.
Black parents want you to become a doctor, a teacher.
Yeah.
They don't take these things seriously. But because I fell in love with it, and this is something that's bringing me money. And I think it's only now that they see it's okay. This thing, it's bringing money. Yeah.
So do you have a name of your as like a makeup artist? Do you have like a name for
my thing?
Yeah.
I actually call it anything beauty.
Anything beauty.
Yeah, because I do makeup, I do hair, I do nails, so everything is beauty. So anything beauty.
Yeah. When it comes to hair, sorry to cut you off, man. When it comes to hair, guys, when we arrived here to your place, she was busy doing she was busy with a client. At the end of this interview, I'm gonna drop a video where she was busy doing the thing. You check it out. So tell me, Gabi, and then how much do you charge for? You're saying your certificate includes everything, your makeup, your hair, your whatever.
No, the certificate only includes makeup. Then hair, I taught myself.
Okay.
And some of the techniques I learned from YouTube.
Okay.
Even nails, I taught myself. I saw some techniques on YouTube.
And then what kind of hairstyles do you do?
I actually do everything.
What do you mean?
Everything.
Give me like 5 styles
I
that
do
you do.
cornrows.
Cornrows?
I do cornrows.
Okay.
Braids.
Okay.
I also install weaves.
Install weaves as well.
Yes, and
Hey, black women with weaves, guys. Yeah. Go on.
That's the
The
reason why you
knots,
call
the
your
knots.
business anything beauty. Is that you can do anything?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes,
Now we understand that.
So do you have like a special place where people are coming to do their hair, to do their...
They come to my house. They come to my house, and then sometimes I do house calls, of which they pay for me to come to that place,
So-
and then they also pay for the service.
So do they Uber you or...
Yeah, they have to pay for my transport.
Oh, okay. I hear you, man.
Or you charge your normal price and then you charge for transport.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, I understand. So how much your pricing start? Like how much can you say the lowest is this much and then the highest that you do is this much?
The lowest, because I also deal with kids a lot.
Oh, okay.
So the lowest, it's 70 rands for kids.
Okay.
Like, yeah, your cornrows.
Okay.
And then the highest is 400.
Okay.
Yeah, those
Which
are
is-
for braids.
When you're doing braids,
Mhm.
it's 400.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Shout out, man.
70 to 400.
Yeah. It's a good. So do you have like a manager who's running these things with you, or you're just like
I'm doing it solo.
for real?
I manage myself. I manage myself.
Okay, I hear you, man. What else? I wanted to ask you something, but that question gonna come back. Yeah, that question can be okay. How do you deal with like like in a difficult client? Maybe when you're busy doing these things, and you're pulling my hair. Yeah, you're doing this, you're doing the. How do you handle such a difficult?
To be honest, I've never come across with difficult clients. So I don't
For real?
have, yeah. Like I think I have soft hands.
Mm.
My clients when I touch their heads.
No
I don't get any complaints. Yeah.
Okay. And then okay, between makeup and doing like your hair and everything, which one do you prefer to do the most? Like which one do you enjoy doing the
I
most?
prefer makeup. Like seeing a person's before and after.
Yeah.
Like it's a whole entire story. Like you see Cinderella.
Yeah.
You know Cinderella.
Yeah,
When
I
they
know.
transformed her like it was so yeah.
And then how much do you charge for
makeup?
makeuping?
I'm very cheap. I think I'm the cheapest makeup artist now.
And the professional, because you have even
Yeah,
a certificate
because I'm
for it.
still trying to build my client base, and
Okay.
that's why I am so cheap. The natural glam is 200, and then
Natural glam.
make like a natural look.
Okay.
It's 200,
Alright.
and then the last one is 350.
Strawberry.
Like the full makeup and all. It's 350. Even the bridal makeup is
Yeah.
350.
Yeah, I wanted to go there
Yeah.
because now you just touched on the bridal one. Like, have you been invited to do like the bride, the grooms, and
Yeah.
then how much do you charge when it comes to the wedding?
The wedding, normal prices each per I charge normal prices. There's a bridal makeup,
Okay.
and then it depends which bridesmaids afuna which makeup. So, but they
Oh,
can't,
so like there's
they
like
can't,
a-
yeah,
yeah.
they can't look like the bride. The bride has to be more beautiful, like it. So yeah. it
Okay, but
depends.
like, okay, while we are still on that one, you're saying they can't look like the bride,
The
right?
bride.
But like, does your prices changes when you're doing a bride, and then when you're doing the one
Yeah,
who
the
do the
prices,
steps and
the
stuff?
price
Yeah,
differ.
it's different.
Yeah,
And then how
'cause-
much is the bride?
The bridal makeup is 30-50,
Okay.
and then I was doing clients last week.
Okay.
Yeah, for the wedding, and then I charged them because they wanted like the soft glam, which is not too much, but they have to be beautiful.
Okay.
So I charged them 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I hear you. I hear you.
So, Gabi, what do you do to attract customers?
What do? Honestly, I don't advertise myself on like your social media.
Why not?
Nah, you should start doing
your
it, man.
Facebook.
No, you should start doing
I do
it.
it sometimes, especially maybe on that day I had a lot of clients. Maybe get us so motivated and like, no, let me just post my work, cable. But then I do it sometimes. If I post on my WhatsApp
But
status.
you're supposed to advertise your business.
So meaning you don't have like a page?
I don't have a page.
No, you must, man. Come on, I must manage you, man.
Yeah, but I can't managing myself. But
Yeah,
I
man.
do take pictures. I do have pictures, but the thing is I don't have a page yet.
You're using only WhatsApp to advertise your business.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like, cause WhatsApp is just strictly for people who have your number. I don't think it's enough, man. I think you have to open a page maybe on Facebook, like your Insta and stuff, showing what you're saying before and then after and stuff, right? So yeah, you should open a page, man, and then post. You're saying it's the name of your thingy is what? Anything beauty. Yes, you have to open a page that says anything beauty. Then you post everything. You can do your before and after, doing whatever what you're gonna do, but you have to do it, man. Just open a page, man.
Sorry, let me ask you something, Kevin. So, let's take, I call you and ask you to come to my place. No? I'm your customer. And then when you get, you find that I have a wife. Yeah. Obviously, you are a woman. You understand?
Yeah.
Then you are here, you are busy doing my nails. You understand? How do you feel when my wife became jealous? How do you handle that situation?
Yeah, where she? Yeah. Good question, Matak.
How do I've never been in such.
Oh, you haven't been.
I've never experienced
Imagine,
it. Like it's gonna be weird. Like you
when
want
I
me to
look
your
at
place.
you look like a queen, and I know always you always go. Your business is like a mobile. It's a mobile company, so you always get calls, and then duty calls, the message, and then you go and do your stuff. You find that there's a guy and he's handsome.
How do you handle that situation where maybe you're makeuping your crush, or you can see that, yo, man, this guy is something else? How do you handle that situation? Do you pretend as if, I'm not there, I'm not interested or something?
Obvious, I have to be there. Like I'm here to make money. Business is business.
Oh my God, man.
You came to my house with your business, and then you were attracted. You chat me already.
So, like, okay. Does your question include the jealous wife?
Jealous wife and the guy also. Obvious. How you look? You're a queen always.
Guys, I came here to make money. The rest
you don't fall into it.
I don't fall. It's a trap. It's a trap.
I hear you. When was the last time you were booked to do makeuping?
On the 29th of November.
What was it?
Is it on the 29? Is it November now?
Yeah, now it's
yeah,
November.
It's November.
Yeah.
It was October, 29 October, I mean. Last month.
So which so I mean, between doing hair and makeuping, which one do you get booked more, or where you have like a traffic when it comes to clients and stuff?
It's hair.
It's hair.
Yeah.
It's like a daily thing.
Yeah.
To you.
Yeah.
Damn, man, that's crazy, man. So do you have like your you know, people when they come here, they're gonna come with like their own braids or whatever. Do we have your own braids if somebody comes here without them?
They'll have to call me and tell me if they don't have their own hairpiece so that I can buy it. So I don't keep braids. I haven't thought about buying and keeping them, so a client has to call me and tell me, see, this is the kind of hairpiece that I want.
Okay.
But, yeah.
I hear you, man.
So this business is a source of income, or there's something else you're doing out there?
Yeah, there's something else that I'm doing.
Like what?
Besides doing
Besides makeuping
and
and nails,
What do you do?
I'm studying.
Okay.
I'm doing technical support.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Technical support deals with what? Technical support. What is that?
It's IT. It's basically IT.
Damn, I didn't know that.
Surprise!
Damn, right? Oh my god! Oh, for real, I didn't know that.
Surprise!
So now it's no longer called like your IT. I'm doing IT now. It's like a technical support.
They're different.
Yeah. So what you're doing is technical support.
Mm-hmm.
And then how long is this course, man?
I'm going to finish now. It's 2 years.
2-year course.
Mm-hmm.
And then what requirement is needed there when it comes to
technical support?
Yeah.
Obviously, communication skills.
Okay.
When you deal with people, you have to know how to communicate with them.
Mm-hmm.
And then, obviously, you have to be computer literate.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
Oh, I hear you, man. That's crazy, man. But like you have to open a page, man, for anything beauty.
Yeah.
Don't sleep on yourself.
Advertise your business.
No. You mustn't sleep on yourself.
With time. With time, I'll do it. Because I feel like if I advertise myself, I'm gonna be too much busy and I won't even have time to do my schoolwork. So that's why I'm laying low for now. But clients are coming still. But with time, I'm gonna do it. Definitely, let's say next year. Maybe next year I'll start opening a page.
Yeah,
and be serious with this beauty thing because I'm still busy with school now and it.
Yeah. Oh, so now you're doing it like sometimes.
Yeah.
Or maybe when you're booked on that, like you're not pushing it.
I'm not pushing it
because you're still doing something else.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Shout out, man.
Oh,
shout out, man.
So, Gabi, it's only you who's doing this year.
Sorry?
It's only you who's doing this business.
Yeah.
So, why did you teach someone to do it for you while you are busy?
And pay that person?
No,
family member.
There will be like a commission.
I can't teach someone to do hair unless they are willing. Because this thing, it
What
comes
about-
with
what about
willingness. Eh?
Makeup and nails.
Like, I think if you are passionate with something, you will do it. If you are passionate with something, you will do it. You open up yourself to doing it. You know? So I can't just go and teach someone if they're not willing to learn. It's gonna take time.
So
Okay.
for someone who went to Pyramid College,
Beauty school.
Pyramid Beauty School and stuff, right? For somebody who went there, but who is struggling to okay, let me put it in this way. What can you say to somebody who wants to do makeup? What advice do you have for somebody who's the upcoming artist? You guys call it artist, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, what can you say to somebody who's just saying, "Yo, I wanna do what Gabi does, or I wanna do makeuping, or I wanna do hair." What advice do you have for somebody who?
I think first you have to fall in love with something and show the willingness of doing it. You can't just say I want to do, but you're not even trying. But if that person wants to do it, then they should give it a go, because this thing is simple. It's a very simple thing. They should go to school and study.
No.
But Mina, I taught myself.
Yeah.
Self-taught. Yeah.
Okay, I hear you. And then you are based in Orlando, right?
Yes.
But like, which hood have you visited when it comes to your makeup and where you're booked?
I went to, country, what's this place? Snake Parking.
Okay.
I've been in Pretoria, especially for the wedding gigs.
Oh, okay.
I've been to Alexander. I've been Mfulo.
Okay.
Yeah. I went to a lot of places.
Doing this thing that you do.
Yeah.
Shout out, man. This means your business is booming.
It's getting there.
Just need some touch-ups here and there.
Yeah. It's getting there.
Yeah.
This money is coming in.
So do you have like your makeup kit?
Yeah, I do have a makeup kit.
And then how much is that thing? It seems like it's expensive, man. That silver thingy that you guys carry.
You know what I did,
No, what did you do?
Mina? Every time I get a client, or when I have money with me, I'll go to a shop and buy. I bought a makeup kit, and then I had those few smaller things, makeup nyana that I had. But I always made sure that when I get money, I would just go to Clicks, maybe Discam, and buy a few things. So yeah, that's what I do. Because those makeup things, especially the big ones, it doesn't come out with makeup, so you have to get your own things.
Oh, so like it's just like a bag.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, but there's a small bag that comes out with a little makeup, maybe your lipsticks,
Damn.
eyeshadows.
Okay. I thought that's big silver thing come with a lot of makeup in
You
there.
have to buy it yourself.
Bro, damn man, that's
Buy it
crazy.
yourself.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hear you, man. Tim, man, do you have like more questions, man, when it comes to?
I think another question. What if someone came to you and tried to propose you or steal you to start another business as a business partner?
Good
Are you going
question.
to allow him or?
That's a very good
I mean-
question, man. That's a very good
What if that
question.
person comes and wants
After seeing your work,
Yeah.
after seeing your work, right?
Uh-huh.
As you're saying, you're going to Pretoria, Alex, you went Snake Park and whatnot, ne? I'm saying if there's like a guy who's running like a company or a salon or anything have seen your work and approach you that, yo, can you just come and work with me? Yeah. What if a person sees your work, right? Who have like a big brand, right? Sees your work and say, yo, she's doing this and that. Or maybe it's somebody who have like a salon, see you doing your hair, I was like, yeah, damn, she's good. Or somebody who have like your makeup artist company, whatever. As you're saying that you are not active on anything, and sees you that name, she's good when it comes to what she does. Ne?
Yeah.
Are you willing to take that deal to go and work for somebody, or?
I think it will depend. It will depend because I feel like doing this thing solo, it brings me money and I can see my money. You understand?
Of course.
So if I work with someone, I'm gonna have to get that money on a monthly basis. So it will depend. If we come to an agreement, maybe I'll get paid a certain salary monthly or weekly. It will depend because I'm gonna cry if I'm gonna get paid every month and then get paid if 5,000 every month, knowing that I make more. It's gonna be a problem. So I think it will depend.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hear you, man. And then if people want you, where can they reach you? Your socials number or anything? Please give them.
Yes,
your details,
I'm available on Facebook. It's Mazibuko, and then on Instagram it's Gabi. On Facebook it's Gabi Mazibuko, and then on Instagram it's Gabi_Mazibuko. But then my work is not on social media. They can just inbox me, and then I'll send them my work, and then
Oh, okay. Oh, so if they want to see what you do, they must just inbox
me. I'll send them my work, and then
Number is private.
My number.
They must go
inbox me. Inbox me. I'll give them my number.
All right, guys. Do you have anything that you wanna plug?
No.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
It's all about makeuping. It's all about nails. No, I didn't ask you about how much do you do for nails, man.
For nails. With nails, I'm still teaching myself, but I'm getting there.
Yeah.
My work is beautiful and clean, but I wanna learn the art part of it. Yeah. So yeah.
And then how much is nails like for now? I know you're still saying.
I charge 150. Which is very low, but I charge 150.
So your clients, they must come with their nails.
No, I have everything. I also have a kit for nails.
And your nails as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So they must, guys. Please let's support black businesses, guys. Please make sure that you follow her on Insta, as she mentioned, on Facebook as well. Let's follow her, guys. Yeah, man. Let us help each other grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified. That was Easy on It with Sithole. Timen just he went out because we started. We were 3 of us, so he went out. He's taking some calls. So please stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. That's it.
Ngiphume ngimuhle lapho ne. Hayi ngeze ngiphume ngimuhle.
Okay, zinomhlazo mawuze. Serious.
Manje lapha nje ayikho photo journey.
Wena? Sakubona phela ku-TikTok.
Mina ngiyidilithile lo msana.
Nami ngiyidilithile yazi yangidila.
Ayilalisana lento le.
Uthatha phela manje.
Yo, 1 gig manje.